175 feet per second. The pistol features a 15-round magazine, rear and front open sights. The kit includes a soft Cordura holster and a Velcro thumb brake, plus a trial pack of 12-gram airsoft BBs. The pistol is also available in other color combinations. Take it outside with the Stinger P9T pistol kit from Crosman.
Hey everyone, today I have the HK-P30. I really like the hard case. It's really nice for transporting it. So here's what it looks like. It comes with 2 rotary mags for pellets. It has this mag, which is where your CO2 is, and it also holds BBs right here. And I'll tell you more about that in a minute. It has a very nice medium grip. The grip texture is nice. It's not too aggressive, so it doesn't hurt, and that's always a plus. On the front of the trigger guard, it's textured right here, so if you have big enough hands, if you want to loop that finger around, I know lots of people that do that, and so this is really nice. The trigger itself also has a couple lines on it to make sure your finger doesn't slip if it's hot and you get a little sweaty, and so that's really nice as well. And then next up here we have the accessory rail, so you can put your flashlight on it, your laser, or even a weight actually if you wanted to make it weigh more, but the weight with this metal slide in the mag, that is pretty nice. It feels really good. It's a nice balance. To load this mag, you pull down the follower. It's already loaded currently. And you just hold it right here. And then you take the speed loader and you just push that and it shoots little BBs into the mag. It's so much nicer than having to hold this back and do 1 BB at a time. I've done that before. This thing is like amazing. So definitely get one of those if you do not have one yet. Like I said earlier, to load this rotary mag, you would put a pellet in it, and then you use the pellet seater and you push it down all the way, and then it's perfect. Something you need to think about though is don't use a pointed pellet because you don't want it to stick out past this flat surface right here and make the gun jam. That's not going to be good. But you can do the domed or the flat, so that's really nice. If you want to shoot pellets now, all you gotta do is open that, take out your little adapter, and put this rotary mag in. Make sure the gear's towards the back. Just line it up, and ta-da. And then you already have your mag with the CO2 in there. You just lock your follower with that little button, put it back, and it's all good. The barrel's actually rifled, so that'll help your pellets be a little more accurate. So this is the HK-P30. To find more, you can go to umarexusa.com or you can use their Find a Dealer and you can see if there's any close to you. I hope you enjoyed this, and this is a great one to add to your collection.
The C11 Tactical Pistol from Crosman. It's a CO2-powered air pistol that shoots Copperhead BBs. The air pistol combines handheld comfort with quality components at an affordable price. A quad rail system for mounting your favorite optic. A removable grip for easy CO2 replacement. A 20-shot quick-release magazine. The pistol also includes a mock compensator and a Crosman laser. It's great for backyard target shooting and plinking. Take it outside with a Crosman Tactical C11 pistol.
The USP. The HK model designated as Universal Self-Loading Pistol was formally introduced in 1993. Now, owners and admirers of this quality handgun can practice with genuine form without burning money on ammo. This is the HK USP chambered for .177 caliber steel BBs and powered by a 12-gram CO2 capsule. A replica in every sense, this USP model incorporates a blowback system, a complex valve that allows the flow of air to propel the BB at 325 feet per second while simultaneously causing the all-metal slide to kick back, a feature that any action pistol shooter will appreciate. The authenticity of the HK USP air pistol evolves around every aspect of this spectacular replica. From the texturing of the tough polymer frame to the functioning controls of the slide release, the safety, the magazine release, and the decocking mechanism to its fast target acquisition 3-dot sights. Its magazine replicates the size and weight of a loaded mag and drops completely free of the grip, making this an ideal pistol for reloading drills. Get a grip on a full-size semi-auto action. Ask and search for the HK USP blowback air pistol at your favorite retailer.